Good day, everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a photo to become a cute pop cartoon. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can install this UpFoto first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And this is the look of the home page of this UpFoto. And you don't have to do the login first with your email to try a lot of filters here. But if you would like to get the full access of this app, so you can go to this pro here and you will see the option of the package. There are 3 days of free trial, monthly, and also the yearly package. Which one do you prefer? And after you pick it up, so you can click continue and do the payment next. But if you'd like to try the package in the next time or another time, so you can simply skip this offering. But maybe during the generation process, you will find several advertisement and also the picture will be stick with the watermark. So if you are okay with that stuff, so you can skip it. And let's go back to the AI filters to change our picture to be a pop cartoon. And here in this section, you can choose the category of cartoonize and click this pop cartoon. And after that, you can start to select a picture from your gallery. For example, this one. And after that, you will see there are two options. For the Pro Generate, which means that you will not see any advertisement during the generation process, and also the picture will be no watermark in it. But you need to upgrade it into the Pro version first. But if you're okay about the advertisement and the watermark, so you can continue to click this generate and kindly follow the next process to save the picture after the generation process. I'm sorry in advance, guys, because I have tried to record the next process, but somehow the screen only turned black and it doesn't show you the result. But don't worry because the next step is pretty easy. You can simply click here generate, and after the advertisement you will find the save button on the top right corner usually, and you can simply click this, and after that you can see that the picture has already generated and saved into your gallery. And don't worry because I will show you the result, guys. For example, like this is the result after the generation process and after you click the save button on the top right corner. So isn't that cute, right? So you can use this picture for any purposes. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.